What if I told you that the key to success is not in working harder, but in how you see yourself? That's the core message of Psycho-Cybernetics, the groundbreaking book by Dr. Maxwell Maltz. Written by a plastic surgeon turned self-help pioneer, this book explains how our self-image determines our behavior, habits, and ultimately, our success. Change your self-image and you change your life. Today we're diving deep into the powerful lessons of Psycho-Cybernetics and how you can use them to unlock confidence, creativity, and unstoppable growth. Dr. Maltz discovered something fascinating. When he performed plastic surgery on patients, their physical appearance changed overnight, but not all of them felt different inside. Some people with scars became confident once their faces were fixed, but others still carried the same insecurities. This showed him that self-image is mental, not physical. If you see yourself as a failure, you'll act like one, even if you have all the tools for success. If you see yourself as capable, opportunities open up. Your outer reality reflects your inner self-image. Maltz compared the human brain to a servo mechanism, like a guided missile or autopilot system. Once you set a target in your mind, your subconscious automatically works to get you there. If your target is negative, I'm not good enough, I always fail, your mind will guide you toward failure. But if your target is positive, I can succeed, I can learn, I can grow, your mind will direct your actions toward achieving it. This means you don't have to consciously control every move. You simply need to set the right mental goal. Your imagination is more powerful than willpower. The brain cannot tell the difference between a real experience and one vividly imagined. That's why athletes visualize winning before stepping on the field. It's why public speakers rehearse in their minds before going on stage. Maltz teaches that if you imagine yourself as confident, skilled, and successful, your subconscious will accept that image and make it real. One of Maltz's most powerful exercises is the theater of the mind. Here's how it works. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and imagine yourself in a mental movie theater. On the screen, see yourself performing at your very best, confident, successful, calm, and in control. Repeat this daily, and over time, your subconscious rewires itself to match this new self-image. Many people replay past mistakes in their minds over and over, reinforcing failure. Maltz warns against this. Instead, he suggests treating mistakes as feedback, just like a guided missile corrects its course when it strays off target. Learn the lesson, make the adjustment, then move forward. Dwelling on failure locks you in the past. Learning from failure frees you for the future. Maltz also stressed the importance of relaxation. Tension and worry block your creative mechanism. When you are relaxed, your mind works better, ideas flow, and confidence rises. He encouraged daily practice of mental stillness, breathing deeply, letting go of anxiety, and trusting your inner guidance system to do its work. According to Maltz, success is not luck, it's a habit. Just as negative self-talk can become automatic, positive self-talk and confidence can also become second nature when practiced consistently. The key is repetition. By practicing success in your mind and reinforcing it daily, you install the habit of winning. One of the most famous insights from Psycho-Cybernetics is the 21-day rule. Maltz noticed it took his patients about 21 days to adjust to a new face or body after surgery. From this, he concluded that it takes roughly 21 days to form or break a habit. This principle has been widely adopted in personal development. If you consistently practice a new behavior or mindset for 3 weeks, it becomes part of your identity. The message of Psycho-Cybernetics is clear. You are not limited by your past, your failures, or even your current circumstances. The only thing limiting you is your self-image. Change how you see yourself and you change how you act. Change how you act and you change your results. Financial freedom, personal success, happiness, it all begins in the theater of your mind. If you want to transform your life, start by transforming your self-image. Take 5 minutes every day to practice visualization. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Build habits of confidence and success. Remember, your brain is a machine designed to get you where you want to go. The only question is, What target are you programming it with?
If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And hey, share this video with someone who needs it.